So the next part is to come here to query, to data, get and transform from file, Excel workbook. I'm looking for this file, consolidation query approach. All right, so here is it here. And I say import. Okay, so when I say import, it shows me the list of the tables and then the sheets. So you can see the tables here looking like tables, and then the sheets, you can see them with tabs. I'll select the tables and not the sheets, because if I do the sheets, I won't be able to easily consolidate, as I would have wanted to. So I'll just pull this. So because when the data increases, I'm not sure this will also take on my new data. So after doing that, I'll just say transform data, and then here you have it. Here you have it. So let me just do a quick cleanup here. So I have finance and I have legal. Okay. So the next thing I have to do now is, since I want a table that will also I want a table that will also have the names of the columns, that will have the names of each of these tables as the first column. So I need to create a new column in these tables. I'll have a column here called department, and I have finance, I have human resources, and so on. So for this finance table, all I have to do is just add a new column. I call it custom column. All right, so I'll call that department, and then the name will be finance. Okay, that way, voila, and I have this. Okay, so I'll do the same thing with human resources, custom column. I also call that department, and then I call it human resources. Okay, and I say okay, and then legal, custom column. Of course, you know what I'll do there. I'll do department, and then legal. All right, so okay, so you have legal there, and then logistics. Let me just change that. All right, so custom column, I'll say department, and then logistics. Okay, so there you have it. So I have this. Okay, so to now combine the table is the next, the tables is the next thing. So I'll come to home. I'll say merge queries as new. Okay, so sorry, let's say merge append queries as new. All right, so I'm doing multiple tables, so I bring finance, this and this to join logistics that's already here. So do this and I say okay. Voila, all my tables are already combined. So I have logistics, finance, human resources, and legal. So I can drag this to the top, to the first column. Okay, and then I call this consolidated table, something like this. Table, right? Consolidated table. So the next thing is to now load this into my Excel sheet. I don't want to load these 4 tables again. So the trick I'll do here is to come and say close and load to. Only create connection. When I say create connection, it will create connection within this workbook, but it will not load the new tables into this workbook yet. And I say okay. So you can see what I have here now. I don't have my consolidated. This is the one. These are supposed to be our end products, and I don't have it here yet. So I'll come to look for it here. You can see this connection only. So this is my consolidated table. So I'll come here, can right click on it and say load to. So I can change that one to table. So it will load to a table. So in a new worksheet. So I say okay. Voila, that's my table. So you can see it here now. Logistics, finance, human resources, legal, just as we wanted them to be. Okay, so I can call my new sheet consolidated query. Okay, so that I am able to tell the difference between that and this. All right, so that's all I have to do. So